Slush family. So we are on the food truck today, getting ready for an event. We're running a little bit behind. Well, I am not.
What time you got right now?
10:45. It's 10:45. We go live on the food truck at 11. So yes, we gotta make pizza, and I'm putting together stuff for our candy slush, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll, y'all.
I guess we probably put it back in the bag.
What?
And I'm gonna probably send it back in the bag.
Oh, yeah.
Face it this way, install it.
Okay.
Nowadays, what you do that for the Miami Vice? So you can leave this. Because I got strawberry. Yeah, the one that's on cocoa. And you can put that one that's cocoa back on top. Sauce is good.
Yeah, I didn't know if you wanted me to put those out or not. I've been putting. Yeah. Yes, Jen, you're over time management.
Y'all real close. 5 minutes. Locked in.
5 minutes. So we gotta open the window, have pizza ready. Probably. I got it, babe. Yeah. Are we doing half pepperoni, half cheese, or? Yeah. Let me check.
Oh, name it.
What?
That event on July the 4th.
You got to come, Jen. That is a huge event.
Where is it?
In Jacksonville.
The man, I gotta scout his house and like give him an estimate sometime.
On July 4th?
I don't know if it's that day, but he wants his house cleaned before that day.
Oh, wait a minute. July 4th, we're going to be at Angler's Point. That's fine. I told you about that event. It's July 3rd. That's the one I really need you at.
I don't think you even told me about July 3rd.
Yes, I did. That's Jack's Fest. That one is huge.
Oh, yeah, you did. The 4th and the 5th is the one I can't do, but July 3rd I can do that.
Okay, that's fine. don't even know if we're really going on the 5th because we don't know if we're gonna have some product.
How
We
long
might
is
go.
it?
We might go. We got nothing else to do. I cannot remember.
I'm just gonna do all day because it's probably gonna be about the same time as the festival.
Probably, yeah.
All right, people.
What you got?
10:54. We gotta be open this window.
Alright. Give me 1 second.
Actually, I suppose I can help y'all.
You can go open the window and then, Jen, take that red marker with you and, there was something that she said.
It's a lot of.
Well, we don't have, we got
Yeah.
things like that.
Yeah, it should already be marked off.
The
But
sign
just
is too,
check.
no.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, you can see the sign. Oh, well, I'm ready. Oh, we don't have time. Oh, this way. Oh, this way. Yeah. Oh, you asking?
That's all.
Yeah, the other one too. What she ain't going up, man?
Oh, I thought, no, I was saying just in case you have more. She got to, oh, you're not doing the big cup. Okay.
Oh, yeah, we talking about this one. Oh, well. Yeah, we can say it over.
Yeah, we'll
it just
say it,
helps y'all with the bus y'all have to keep calling all this stuff out.
What?
Man, you know what? Man, you don't want no. Last week, no problem. Maybe one of those or other.
Oh, well, no, that's by itself.
a watermelon whip slushie as well.
Okay. Got that one. Watermelon whip, fire slush.
There we go.
There's a pizza.
Yeah, it's a pepperoni slice.
Alright.
Alright. Here's your buzzer. It's all when it's ready. Yes, ma'am. Hi, welcome. What can I get for you? Now that one is $7. Is that okay? Alright, there we go. Yes. Wait, I'm sure it was. Yes, ma'am. Here you go. And then this is your buzzer. It'll go off when it's ready. Oh, you're welcome. Got a lemon, lime, and green apple coming up.
Together.
Hi, welcome.
Yes, together.
It means we're out of it. It's like a tropical or tropical mango flavor. It's very good. Okay. One here. And pass it
Let me get her pieces. Alright, here's your 2 drinks. That's the candy one.
And we do tap too. We do tap as well if you can't find your card.
Stay right there. That pizza's about to come out, okay?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, ma'am. Sorry. I thought you were doing this. Oh, here we go. Yes, ma'am. It's set. No, it's strawberry and passion mango. All right. $3 is your change and 4 is your buzzer. Yes, ma'am. Hi, welcome.
Oh, hey, Danielle. Nice to meet you. Thank you. I'm Megan. Yes, I'm Megan. It's nice to meet you. Thank you for inviting us out. We really appreciate it. Oh, you're so welcome. Yes. Big Mike. Yes, she had an incident earlier this week, so yeah. Yes. So hopefully next time she'll have it together and be able to come. But, well, thank you so much for inviting us. We really appreciate it. Okay, well, nice to meet you. Thank you.